Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best cold press juicers. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the cold press juicers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best cold press juicers on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Hurom H310A, a personal self-feeding, slow masticating juicer. This ultra-stylish juicer is a great option for people who want to keep it out all the time, but don't have a ton of space. The juicer is available in pink, purple, white, ivory, and gray, so you're bound to find one that fits your decor. This cold press machine holds less liquid than many comparable options, but the slow squeeze technology mimics the motion of hand squeezing, making it extremely effective at producing a fresh and tasty products with their nutrition intact. The juicer is easy to clean, with an inner spinning brush that strains the juice and cleans the chamber as it works, reducing clogging and increasing efficiency. Reviewers appreciate that the juicer is BPA-free, beautiful, and pricey, but definitely recommended for juicing everything from beets to turmeric. Number 9. Amzchef Cold Press Juicer. This juicer features two speeds: the soft fruit and veggie modem, which runs from 50 to 60 RPMs, and the hard fruit and vegetable mode, which runs from 110 RPMs, meaning you can effectively cold press everything from leafy veggies to beets. The juicer also comes with attachments that transform it into a meat grinder or slicer shredder. The slow masticating and small feeding chute design extracts more than 90% of the juice, preserving nutrients and reducing oxidation. The motor is quiet, and the one-button assembly allows you to take the juicer apart in seconds. A portable travel bottle is included. Reviewers love this excellent juicer, saying the juice is delicious, and it is easy to operate. Coming at number 8, Breville 3X Bluicer Pro Blender and Juicer. This Breville is a blender and juicer in one. With a 5-inch wide chute and cold spin technology, you'll be able to create cold press juicers and blend smoothies, cocktails, soups, and more. The Breville comes with a 50-ounce jug with space-saving design that blends juices or bluices from one base. The pulp bin is located behind the base. The Breville is compatible with Vac-Q, which removes air from the jug before blending, creating smoother textures, brighter colors, and preserving the nutritional content of your creations. The cold extraction system efficiently masticates fruits and vegetables and ensures a minimal temperature increase in the process, less than 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers love how versatile and powerful this juicer is, with delicious results. Coming at number 7, Tribest Greenstar CJE-500 Elite Slow Masticating Juicer. This Tribest Greenstar cold press juicer features stainless steel twin gears that replicate human mastication for ultra-slow and effective juice extraction, reducing oxygen exposure and preserving nutrition. This juicer delivers higher nutritional content and fresh-tasting juice brimming with living enzymes and vitamins. The versatile capacity allows you to create an array of dishes, from juice to frozen sorbets, nut butters, salsas, even pasta noodles. The machine is also easy to clean and comes with a cleaning brush. The set also includes fine and coarse screens, a glass juice pitcher, twin gear set, plastic and wooden plungers, drip tray, strainer, and comprehensive user manual. Reviewers say the pure, nutrient-rich juice is worth the price. Number 6. Hurom HZ Slow Juicer. With its stainless steel finish, LED indicators, and sleek metallic casing, the Hurom HZ Slow Juicer has a modern yet elegant look that's perfect for any kitchen's aesthetic. The HZ's alpha technology features optimized juicing and easier cleaning, and it works wonders on fruits, veggies, leafy greens, nuts, and soybeans to create nutritious cold-pressed juices, smoothies, nut milks, tofu, and more. This juicer can even make healthy ice cream and frozen treats straight from its chamber. With an ultra-quiet motor, patented slow-squeeze technology that mimics the motion of hand-squeezed juice, a control lever, and a fine and coarse strainer for pulp control, this is one of the most intuitive and user-friendly cold-press juicer models on the market, even if it's a little slow. Says one reviewer, "This juice is not the fastest, and it will require you cutting things up smaller than a centrifugal juicer. But if you invest in an apple corer, a large cutting board, and some measuring bowls, you can get into a nice rhythm and end up with a really good, strong product." Coming in at number 5, Breville Juice Fountain Cold Juicer. The Breville Juice Fountain. Cold centrifugal juicer is a bit of an outlier in this guide, but that's why we love it so much. It's a high-powered centrifugal juicer that stands apart from the rest, thanks to its proprietary cold spin technology, which allows it to juice effectively, but without creating as much heat as your average centrifugal juicer. It's a perfect pick for those who want to save time by adding ingredients whole without sacrificing quality. It has 2 relatively high speeds that will grind through pretty much any fruit or veg you could want to juice. It drops the pulp into an opaque container for a less messy look, while draining the juice into an included 70-ounce jug that you can use for storing in the fridge for up to 3 days. Users like this juicer because there's so much less work involved in prepping ingredients and keeping it clean. As one person says, "Love the ease of putting it together right out the box. Love the ease of operating it to juice my fruits and veggies. Very easy to clean. Quick rinse off and then into the dishwasher. Done. Rinse and repeat." Unfortunately, that convenience and speed do result in a bit more wet pulp. When the pulp is wet, it means that the machine hasn't extracted every possible drop of juice, which ultimately shorts you a bit on your results. Coming at number 4, Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer. The Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer may be on the pricier side, but it consistently makes incredible juice, and more, without wasting a drop. One of the coolest features of this cold press juicer is that it comes with 3 different strainers to help you make pulp-free juice, juice with pulp, and thicker smoothies. Beyond pressing your fruits and veg, this machine can also make sorbet, baby food, and nut milk. All you have to do is swap the strainer for your desired consistency. Reviewers love this cold press juicer, with one saying, "Very simple to put together and take apart to clean. It's all hand wash, but I don't find this an issue as it's simple using the tools provided. I love how it removes all the juice from fruits and veggies. The pulp is squeezed dry, so maximum juice is extracted." Number 3, Omega Juicer Extractor and Nutrition Center. Pros: quiet motor, great for juicing fibrous ingredients. Cons: a bit clunky looking. The slow masticating motor on the Omega Juicer Extractor and Nutrition Center creates juice without any foaming, clogging, or heat buildup. Outside of its primary function as a cold press juicer, this versatile unit can also be used to whip soy milk, grind coffee and spices, and turn nuts into butter. Users love its quiet motor, as well as how compact the unit is once it's broken down into separate parts for storage. It also has an adjustable end cap for customized extraction. Users specifically call out how great this is for making celery and wheatgrass juice. Because these ingredients are fibrous, they can be hard for most machines to juice effectively. As one reviewer says, "So far I am only using it to juice wheatgrass, although I know it can do many other things. It also extracts more juice from less grass, so it is a money-saving machine as well." Coming at number 2, Cuisinart CJE-500 Compact Juice Extractor. Pros: wallet-friendly price, adjustable flow spout controls and prevents dripping. Cons: doesn't optimize nutritional preservation. This Cuisinart juicer is a great fit for small spaces. The juice pitcher holds up to 16 ounces of juice and can be replaced as needed for big batches. The pulp container collects up to 40 ounces and is easily removable and simple to clean. Juicers who hate the sometimes messy process of cold pressing will appreciate the tight construction and adjustable flow spout, which is manually controlled and prevents dripping. This Cuisinart is powerful, but easy to use, and operated quietly with one-touch operation. Reviewers love the price, and praise how easy to clean, heavy-duty, and effective it is. Number 1. Omega Vertical Slow Masticating Juice Extractor. Pros: a lightweight machine. Results in perfectly dry pulp. Cons: slow extraction process. If you believe that a perfect cold-pressed juice is well worth the wait, the Omega Vertical Slow Masticating Juice Extractor is the one for you. It has a low power and slower operation, which means that everything you press in this machine will retain most of its nutrients as juice. It's also a fantastic value for how well it works. Since it has a small chute, keep in mind that you'll likely need to cut up your ingredients before adding them in. Although it only has one speed, it also has a reverse function that lets you clear out clogs without having to take the machine apart. Multiple reviewers tout that this cold-pressed juicer is easy to clean, its pulp is pressed perfectly dry, and the quality of the juice extracted is delicious. You may just want to cut up hard or fibrous ingredients to go a little easier on the motor. As one person says, if you use celery or any long fiber food, you will need to run some stiffer and higher pulp through each handful. I use carrots to clear the system while using celery. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best cold-pressed juicers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.